Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today because someone broke their low-buy. Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa, I am all glammed up here today, I feel great, and I have a haul for you today. If you've been following me along this year, you might know I've been doing a low buy since January, so I've been, not buying a bunch of stuff, kind of trying to use up what I have, and 7 months into the year, I broke that low buy. I went on a trip a few weeks ago and I kind of went crazy. Like, you guys know I freaking love to shop for beauty. It's my thing, even though I have a ton of products, like, I love to try new things and review them. I did moderate damage. It wasn't crazy. And you guys know I don't live in the US, so I don't really have access to these things most of the time unless it's online. I have to pay duties for them to come to Guatemala. So, yeah, I did a bunch of shopping. Regret nothing. And a shopping spree is never complete without a haul video showing you guys what I got. So I have a good mix of products here. I have drugstore, I have high-end, I have skincare, some makeup, body care. I have a little bit of everything. So without further ado, let's get to hauling. Let's do this. Why do I keep doing this? Let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna start with skincare first, and the first thing I have here is the Acure Seriously Soothing Blue Tansy Jelly Mask. So this is Blue Tansy Oil and Blueberry Extract for normal to sensitive skin. I love Blue Tansy. I love Acure's Blue Tansy Oil, and I saw this mask and it kind of reminded me of the Herbivore one. This is basically just, I don't know, you're probably not gonna be able to tell, I don't want to tip it because it's like a jelly mask, and it's like, ooh, jelly. But I've never heard anyone ever talk about this. I haven't seen it online. I haven't seen it anywhere. So I was very intrigued by it. Love the ingredients on this. And it's like a soothing face mask. So I'm like, I always need a little bit of soothing in my life, And Blue Tansy is an ingredient that pairs perfectly with my skin. So I got this baby mask. Along the lines of calming skin and sensitive whatever, I got the Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Triple Oat Serum. I've heard my good friend Elena here on YouTube talking about this a little bit, and I've always wanted to try it ever since this line came out. And this is just basically like an oat serum to calm your skin out. If you have sensitive skin, this is great. And it has great ingredients in it. I kind of already tried it, to be completely honest with you. It feels amazing on the skin. Like, it just feels like hydration, no redness or sensitivity at all when you put it on your skin. And I think it's a perfect everyday serum. I just wanted to try it out because I have a bunch of serums, but they're more like active ingredient serums. And I just needed something that was like perfect to restore my skin and to help my moisture barrier. So here we go. Wow. It's okay, but I had a heart attack. Up next, I have the oh so famous Differin Gel. This is a Dappling Gel, 0.1%. It's an acne treatment. My skin hasn't been doing great. Like, I'm not gonna say I have like acne, but I do get a bunch of breakouts. I've been getting a lot more recently. I have some scarring, and I know Differin Gel helps with that, so I just want to start incorporating like 1 or 2 times a week in my routine. And yeah, I'm gonna go watch a bunch of videos on how to use this. I've watched a few. I've always been curious about this, but I've heard a lot of great things about this. I hope this helps my breakouts and it helps clear out my skin from all of my acne scarring. So I will let you know how it goes. And then along the lines of acne breakouts, I have the Cocoakind Turmeric Tonic Leave-On Spot Treatment for bright, clear skin. If you've been following for a while, you know I love the stick, the turmeric stick. It's amazing, but that one does stain because it's like a yellow, turmeric stick that you apply on your breakouts, and it's so good. I love that one, but I really wanted to try this one because this one comes in a roller ball. It's clear, so it's a lot less messy whenever I go and apply it on my breakouts and then fall asleep. I really, really like the turmeric line from Cocoakind, and I'm hoping that this is just as good, if not better, than the turmeric stick. Now, I bought 3 sunscreens. You guys. You know how it is with sunscreen, like you apply it every single day. It runs out a lot faster than other skincare products. So I got 3 that I've been wanting to try for a while, and I'm gonna show them to you guys right now. The first one is the Paulas Choice Youth Extending Daily Hydrating Fluid Broad Spectrum SPF 50. I have heard quite a bit about this, and it's perfect for normal to oily combination skin, which I do have combination skin, and now that it's a little hotter out, if it's summer, I think this is such a good one because it's super lightweight and SPF 50. Like, it protects a lot and it has great ingredients. It doesn't make my skin look greasy or oily, which I hate, especially during summer. Like, during winter I don't mind some like more emollient sunscreens, but during summer I need something that is super fluid and lightweight, and this one is just that. It was a little expensive and you only get 2 fluid ounces of product in here, but I've heard rave reviews, so I am excited and I'm expecting to love this. Hopefully I do. Up next, I got the Kinship Self-Reflect Probiotic Moisturizing Sunscreen, Zinc Oxide Broad Spectrum SPF 32. They were having a thing at Ulta where you could get either the regular size or the big size, and I got the big size because why not? I've heard so many people love this on Instagram, and this is a moisturizing sunscreen, so it's probably one that I'm gonna be using more during the colder months. Probiotic sunscreen, I've never heard about that. It has great ingredients and I think it's gonna be great for my skin, hopefully, because I got a huge it's the size of my head. This tube is insane, but yeah, I've heard many great things about this and I hope I love it. And then last but not least, I got the Black Girl Sunscreen. This is a moisturizing sunscreen lotion for face and body. And I got this more just to try it out because I've heard so many great things about this. It's obviously made with darker complexions in mind because it doesn't leave a white cast or anything. Now, I don't usually have problems with white cast, but I think this is amazing for that. And I just wanted to see how it would work for me. I've heard a lot of great things about this and it's also quite affordable. This is infused with jojoba and avocado. It's water resistant and it's SPF 30. I think it's going to be great for me during fall and winter because again, it is a little more emollient, but I love that you can apply this on your face and body. And again, I love the fact that it's on the more affordable side. So I will let you know how this one goes as well because I plan on trying all 3 of these pretty soon. Moving on to the makeup, I really didn't get many like super exciting things. There weren't a lot that caught my eye, but there are a few things that I'm very excited about. The first thing was just a repurchase. This is a Real Techniques 4 Mini Miracle Complexion Sponges. I really like these. They're very comparable to beauty blenders and they're also super affordable. So I got a pack of 4. These are amazing and I'm always using them. I like to reach for these and just do like spot concealing. They work perfectly, beautifully, super affordable, love them. And then the only other tool that I got is this e.l.f. Complexion Duo. This is an exact dupe for the IT Cosmetics Complexion Perfection No. 7 brush, I think that's the name of it. It's super nice, super comparable quality. It's also literally the same thing. And it was like less than $5, I think, or less than $10. e.l.f. makes great brushes, and now it has a dupe for one of my favorite IT Cosmetics brushes that's like $50. So I was very excited about this. I don't know where I saw somebody talked about this being a dupe for the IT Cosmetics brush, and I was like, gotta try that. So I bought it. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm sure it's gonna be amazing. I will report back with my insights. So moving on to actual makeup, the first thing I have is the Kosas setting powder, cloud setting powder. I don't know the actual name of this, in the shade Breezy. It looks like this. It's like a baked setting powder. Jamie Page has been raving about this so much, so I obviously had to try it, even though we don't even have the same like skin type. I don't know why I'm showing you this. There's nothing there. Like, it's a super light powder that's just supposed to set your skin without making it look cakey or powdery. I love powders like this, even though I always do definitely need to set my skin because I have oilier skin, but I hate the look of powder on my skin. Like, it definitely can make my makeup look heavier when I don't intend it to. So I have high hopes for this. It was a little expensive, but you know, it's Kosas. What can we expect? The packaging is freaking beautiful. It's super heavy. It's very nice packaging, and I hope the product inside is also very nice. And then I got the iconic London Sheer Bronze Liquid Bronzer in Caramel Glow. I've been seeing this everywhere. I've been wanting to try this ever since it came out because it's literally just like a sheer freaking bronzer. Like, that's it. That's all it is. I got the shade Caramel Glow, which is one of the darkest shades, and it works for me, which is kind of a bummer, but this is like a super sheer, like, you won't even be like, look at that, it's super sheer. You can sheer it out even more. So it honestly is perfect if you don't love bronzer but you want a little bit of warmth, or if you're into super no makeup. This could be perfect for every day because it really dries down and it sticks to your skin. I haven't really tried many iconic London things, but when I saw this, I thought it was amazing. Like, a sheer dry, like, you can barely even see it on my skin anymore. It looks super natural, and I think it's just gonna be a perfect everyday bronzer for me. This is one of those products that you're either gonna love or hate depending on what you're looking for. So far, I really enjoy it, but I'll let you know further down the line what I think. Next, I got the NYX Professional Makeup Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen in Brunette. I've been seeing this everywhere along with the brow glue that I didn't get because I already have quite a few brow gels in my rotation. But I'm always up for brow pens. This one I've heard so many great things about. The tip is super fine and you can literally create like the most precise strokes ever. Like, it's so good. This shade is a little bit warm for me. I tried it out one day and it was kind of like, it kind of oxidized on my skin and it started looking red. I don't know if that was because of the makeup that I wore that day, of the sunscreen, of the super extreme heat. Hopefully it was that, because I think this is a good color for me actually, so I'm gonna have to try it again. But I really love this, and it's so easy to use and it's so affordable. I literally love this like super fine tip. I think every brow marker and every freaking eyeliner should come with this small of a tip so that it could be so easy to create wings and just get precise lines and hair strokes and whatever. I think it's so genius. I love the fact that it's affordable. I'm just excited to be using this. I hope it doesn't disappoint because I'm over the moon. One other thing that I've been wanting to try forever is the Maybelline Sky High Lash Sensational Mascara. This is in the shade Very Black. Everyone's been raving about this for ages. Like, it blew up on TikTok a few months ago and I wasn't able to try it until now. I'm excited. I think it's gonna be great for my lashes and I am so excited to use this. I'm afraid to open it because I don't want it to dry out, but I just have to start using it because otherwise this is gonna be sitting in my mascara drawer forever. So yeah, I'm excited to use this. I'll probably do like an Instagram first impressions or something along those lines because I really want to see how this works for me. So stay tuned for that. Next, I got two lip products because I wouldn't be me if I didn't get lip products, and these are the L'Oreal. These are the lip stains, but like the shiny version of the lip stains. They'll be linked down below along with the name. I don't know the name off the top of my head because they never put it in the packaging. But anyways, I got the shades Be Determined and Be Uncontrollable, and I first heard about these a few weeks ago. I heard that they were dupes for the Lancome L'Absolu lacquers. Love those. I don't think they make them anymore. I'm not sure, I haven't seen them in a while. And I love that formula, I think it's amazing, so I wanted to see how these would compare. Like, when you swatch them, they're pretty, like, the formula is almost exact. Look at them. These are the two shades that I got, you know, Warmer Nudes, Own My Heart. And they're super shiny and they do leave a slight stain. The stain on these two is a little more subtle than it would be on a red or, you know, a darker color, obviously, because these are nudes. But they do last a long time, and I already wore one of them. I wore Be Determined, the nudier one. It did last quite a long time. It felt super nice, obviously, because it's glossy, but it wasn't moving around or being uncomfortable. So I really think these are gonna be a good dupe for the Lancome ones because the formula is almost exactly the same, and they're, I think, a quarter of the price. So that's amazing. There are a bunch of colors to choose from and I am regretting not buying more. Okay, lastly, I got another repurchase. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. The OG, I just got a travel size because it's perfect to travel with, as the name would suggest. I used to have one of these. One of my sisters snatched it for herself, so I just wanted to repurchase it. It's amazing for literally every makeup occasion, and I will forever be repurchasing this because it's amazing no matter how expensive it gets. So yeah, this is the last makeup item. Okay, so last but not least, I wanted to talk about some body care products. I don't ever really talk about body care on my channel, but I got a few things that are exciting and I want to talk about, starting off with the deodorant. Now, I am a natural deodorant connoisseur. I've been wearing natural deodorant since I was 13, so it's been almost 10 years. I was wearing natural deodorant before it was cool, okay? So I know a thing or two about natural deodorants that work, and the native natural deodorants work like a charm. There's some of the only natural deodorants that actually work and make you smell good instead of smelling like BO mixed with something else. I love the cucumber mint. Ugh. It just smells so fresh, so amazing. They have so many scents. Right now I'm working through a vanilla chai one that was like a limited edition for the holidays, I think. But I love this scent and I love this deodorant and I will forever repurchase this because it's so good, it's so affordable, and what can I say? Native, I know everyone talks about Native, but it's one of the best natural deodorant brands out there. It's amazing. So I got this. And along the lines of deodorant and armpits and stuff, I have been wanting to try this for ages. This is the Megababe Happy Pits Detoxifying Underarm Mask. This is charcoal, glycolic acid, and vitamin C. Megababe is such a cool brand, and I love this because it's literally like not a face mask, but it's a mask for your armpits to detoxify your armpits. Because sometimes, I don't know why this happens, but when you wear natural deodorant especially, there comes a time when your armpits just smell so freaking bad. And if you wear natural deodorant, you know what I'm talking about. Like, there comes a time where your armpit just literally needs detoxifying, because nothing that, like, no natural deodorant, not natural deodorant, nothing will make your armpits smell good. And this is a solution, and it's so easy to use. It literally comes with an applicator. You put this on your armpits and then, you know, and you leave it on for 5 minutes, and there's that's it. Super helpful. I've only used it once, so I can't really tell you how effective or not it is, but it sounds promising. I've never seen anything else quite like this, and I think it's such a cool concept, especially if you're wanting to transition into natural deodorant. You're gonna need this quite a bit because the transition can get a little smelly. So yeah, I think this is great. I'm so excited to use it more. I'll let you know what happens. And then last but not least, another repurchase. This is a Megababe Thigh Rescue Anti-Friction Stick. My thighs have touched my entire life, and with that comes the chafing, which is unpleasant, especially when it's hot out and you're wearing skirts and dresses and shorts. So this is a must-have. It's so good. It's unlike any other chafing stick that I've ever tried before. It's so nourishing, it doesn't irritate my skin, and it's so amazing. If you haven't tried Megababe Thigh Rescue, do your thighs a favor and buy one of these, and you'll thank me later, okay? I missed doing these, you guys. Oh my goodness. I'm so glad I broke my low buy for this. I always have so much fun with you guys, so please let me know if you had fun, and let me know if you enjoy haul videos just as much as I enjoy them. And also let me know if there's anything here that you'd like me to go more in depth about. So, you know, doing a review or a try on here on YouTube, or reviews, you know, more in-depth reviews on my blog or Instagram. Let me know what you guys want to see from me. I always appreciate that. And I would also appreciate if you gave this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Lets me know what kind of content you like and what kind of content you don't like, and it helps my channel out a lot. And as always, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. The button is down below, and I would really appreciate it. I post videos every single week, and I would love to have you as part of my community. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had as much fun as I did while filming this, and I will hopefully see you right here next weekend, okay? Bye everybody. Mwah!